Hello, here you are in the Nakisa HR Suite Administrator Training. Please note this video is part of a series of training videos that we have created to enable our clients to be proficient in the admin console of the Nakisa HR Suite. The topic of this video will focus on troubleshooting Excel data uploads. So the objective is to showcase how to troubleshoot your Excel uploads. Please note that the data management page within the admin console provides a status update of the Excel upload. This is a vital piece of information to know if the upload has failed or not. Also, to know more about the reason the Excel upload has failed, you can always access the application logs page that provides details on the application and database related errors. In this training video, let's look at some of the common errors that can be avoided while importing data through Excel upload templates. Also, let's see how to troubleshoot some of the common errors that could appear while uploading these templates. Now let's jump into the admin console. So let's first upload Excel template and see how to read the status message. So from the admin console, let me go to data management in the left hand side panel. Within the data management, let me select create new batch. In the new page that pops up, let me select the effective dated Excel. And I would be updating the existing data. So let me select the update operation. And then it would be an update or insert operation. Now let me select the upload option and then select the appropriate template that I've already updated with my HR master data. And then let me hit run. So once I hit run, you can see that the status message has changed to success. So here you could get a bunch of information. For example, the number of affected records is something that you'll be able to see. When was this update process created, or when was it ended, and did we do an update operation or not? And we can also get information such as the skip tables. In the sense, the Excel template that we provide has a number of different tables or Excel tabs that needs to be updated, and not all these tabs are necessary. So these are the different tables which are skipped because the Excel data that I uploaded did not contain this particular information. Now let's upload another Excel data sheet that contains an error, and then we could see how to read the error or how to troubleshoot the entire data upload. So what I'm going to do now is again create new batch, and then select an effective dated Excel, and then I'm again going to do an update operation, and again the update or insert operation. So let me select upload. And the template 3 is the Excel data that contains this error. And let me hit the run operation. So as you can see here, the data upload has failed. Once I scroll down, it says that there is a cycle issue which is detected. In the sense, the orgchart 50006135 is reporting to 50006169, which is again reporting to 50006135. So now that we've identified what is the error, we could go ahead and fix it. But if you want to identify or get more information on this error, what you could do is you can go to the logs page, and within that you can select application logs. So the application logs page contains the different errors within the application and within the database. So the logs that you find at the top are the old ones, and the ones that you find at the bottom are basically the new ones. So you could just search for the fail keyword, and if you can, I was able to spot this, and if I could scroll up a little further, here I could see that there is a cycle issue which is detected, and I can find more information on again the orgchart and the parent org unit over here. Now let's open one of those Excel templates and see typically what are the different issues that could be made while uploading or when populating these Excel templates. Let's assume you're using a position to position reporting structure and then or an org unit to position reporting structure, and you will go ahead and download these templates appropriately. So let's assume you're using a position reporting structure. So let me download it. And let me open it once it's downloaded. Okay, so in this particular Excel sheet there are a number of Excel tabs. Each of these tabs correspond to a unique table within the Nakisa HR Suite database. So each of these names or each of these table names are case sensitive, so please make sure that you don't modify it. Also, each of these headers that you find within each of these tabs are also case sensitive. Please make sure that these are not modified as well. And the other typical errors that you could make is that let's take this column J, which is nationality ID, and then column K, which is the communication ID. So there is a separate table which links these nationality IDs with the nationality values. For example, 87 could be an American. 72 could be something related to Russian. So these are the different IDs which correspond to the nationality. So you got to make sure that the nationality information is updated within the nationality table. So let me quickly search for the nationality table over here. So as you can see here, each of these nationality IDs corresponds to a value. So you got to make sure that this particular information is updated. So that is something. So otherwise, there is also information on language over here. So you got to make sure that if you're using the language information or language IDs somewhere else within the Excel template, please make sure that the corresponding values are updated. So this is typically could be the different issues that could pop up, and please make sure that there are no duplicate records within the uploaded templates, and please also make sure that there are no orphan employee position or org unit objects, which are typically the different issues that could pop up. In this training video, we've seen how to troubleshoot some of the common occurring errors within the data upload template that you use to update your HR master data into the application. Thank you.